special about your Lekor recipe compared to Semenanjung Lekor?
Well, the special is produced by 100% Sabahan, which is never stay in Peninsular. We just learn from media social and from just through people which is only from online. I never been there. I never been to Terengganu or JB or just the difference is maybe because we use this truly local ingredient and that's it. And our Lekor is one of the best in Sabah. I can guarantee you that.
How about price-wise? Compared with Semenanjung?
Well, if you compare with Semenanjung punya range, I think it's middle. Mine is not so cheap because the quality is we put on middle. We don't want it to be very cheap and we don't want it to be very expensive. Nanti orang tidak beli. So that's itu dia punya apa nih range price lah. Masih boleh mampu milih because if you compare, this is 1 kilo 100 gram 1000 gram and each pack they got 98 pieces. We sell for retail 13 and 50 cent, 13 ringgit and 50 cent for 1 kilo. So compared to others, there are some only 78 pieces for 1 kilo. So mine is 98. So for those yang mau jual balik, untuk habis gorong dan jual balik, untung dia lebih banyak.
How did you get involved in this business?
How do I get involved in this business? Because it's desperate of meneruskan kehidupan. So cobalah pelbagai bidang.
Macam mana sambutan?
Well, my product is already in Bataras, and then kita pun sudah seluruh Sabah. Every daerah kita ada agent. So kita ada pemborong juga. A few schools, canteen sekolah itu beli dengan kita lah.